Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to delete Rednote account. Now, the first thing you should do is to open your application on your phone, and once you open it, you will find here on the top left corner these three horizontal lines. You just have to tap on it to open this menu. Go click on settings on the bottom left corner with this gear icon. It will show you this page. Go and click on account security, and down below right here you will find an option saying account cancellation. Just tap on it. It will show you this page in Chinese. And now what you should do is to simply click on this circle down below and click on this button. But if you have used your mobile phone to verify your email, they'll ask you to enter an OTP. After that, you can simply go to this page and check this circle, then click on this button right here. And now they're asking you for the reason. You can simply go and translate this on Google. But here in my case, I will choose any reason. It doesn't matter. Then click on this button right here. And that's it. This is how you can actually delete your account. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a good comment. Share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.